Tailor Brands Review. Is it the best branding solution for your business? Hey everyone! In today's video, we're taking a closer look at Tailor Brands, an all-in-one branding platform that helps you create and grow your brand from scratch. If you're a small business owner, entrepreneur, or just someone looking to build a strong brand identity, this review is for you. And remember, if you decide to check out Tailor Brands, the link is in the description below. Why choose Tailor Brands? Tailor Brands has become a popular choice for businesses looking to establish a strong brand presence. And here's why: comprehensive branding tools. Tailor Brands offers everything you need to build your brand. From logo creation to social media tools, business cards, and more. You can manage all aspects of your brand from a single platform. AI-powered Logo Maker. One of the standout features of Tailor Brands is its AI-powered Logo Maker. Simply input your business name, industry, and design preferences, and the AI generates a variety of logo options for you to choose from. This makes it incredibly easy to create a professional logo in minutes. Customizable design options. Tailor Brands allows you to customize your logo and other branding materials to ensure they align perfectly with your vision. You can adjust colors, fonts, and layouts to create a unique and cohesive brand identity. Branding packages. Tailor Brands offers branding packages that include not just a logo, but also a full suite of branding materials like letterheads, business cards, and social media templates. This ensures consistency across all your brand assets. Easy-to-use interface. The platform is designed to be user-friendly, making it accessible even for those with no design experience. You can navigate through the tools and create your branding materials with ease. Pricing plans. Tailor Brands offers several pricing plans to suit different needs and budgets. Basic plan, starting at $9.99 per month. Billed annually, the basic plan includes access to the Logo Maker, high-resolution logo files, and basic branding tools. This is ideal for those who need a simple, affordable solution for logo creation. Standard plan, for $19.99 per month. Billed annually, the standard plan offers more advanced features, including vector files, full social media logo packages, and additional branding tools. This plan is perfect for small businesses looking to establish a strong brand presence. Premium plan, at $49.99 per month. Billed annually, the premium plan includes everything in the standard plan plus a comprehensive branding package, including business cards, letterheads, and social media tools. This is the best option for businesses that want a complete branding solution. Conclusion: Tailor Brands is a versatile and user-friendly platform that can help you create a professional and cohesive brand identity. With its AI-powered Logo Maker, customizable design options, and comprehensive branding tools, it's an excellent choice for businesses of all sizes. Ready to elevate your brand with Tailor Brands? Click the link in the description to get started. Trust me, you won't regret it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more reviews and business tips. See you in the next video.